out, while Warlove was left behind. Treasure Hunter pass to begin, moving a party outside. Princess Julian running by Darrell. Third comes Burst of Speed. About 5 wide comes Elebenian Queen. In the middle, Royal Pair by Darrell. Angie Red next on line by Darrell is New Golden City. Speed Admiral comes next alongside leg up non-stop. Third last, second last Royal King, while Candy is the early trailer as they swing down the back. Treasure Hunter just in front by about 3/4 of a length lead by Darrell Angie Red. 3 lengths away in third, New Golden City alongside Burst of Speed. Princess Julian comes next by Darrell. Royal Pair, Elebenian Queen, then followed by Speed Admiral, leg up non-stop, Eye Candy, while Royal King now running in last. And on the far turn, Treasure Hunter by about 4 lengths. And in second, moving up now is New Golden City as they come down at the last 200. Treasure Hunter now stretching the lead to about 5 lengths. And in second is New Golden City, moving a party outside Elebenian Queen. And nearing the finish line, it's Treasure Hunter. Second, New Golden City, Elebenian Queen, Royal Pair. Then comes Speed Admiral.